Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world, located in Nepal and Tibet. Here are some cool facts about it. Super tall. Mount Everest is the highest mountain on Earth, reaching over 29,000 feet tall. It's so tall that it touches the sky and is covered in snow all year round. Climbing challenge. Many brave climbers from all over the world try to climb Mount Everest. It's a tough challenge because the air is thin and it's freezing cold up there, but reaching the top is like touching the sky. Sherpa heroes. Sherpas are the local people who help climbers reach the top of Mount Everest. They are like mountain superheroes, guiding climbers and carrying heavy equipment to make sure everyone stays safe. Stunning views. From the top of Mount Everest, you can see the world below like a beautiful painting. It's like being on top of the world, with clouds below and snow-covered peaks all around. Mount Everest is not just a mountain. It's a symbol of human courage, strength, and the beauty of nature. It reminds us that anything is possible if we work together and never give up on our dreams.